Hello friends, today I am back with another interesting topic, how to reduce your driving license expenses in Germany. This video mainly helpful for the people, those who are planning to take driving license here in Germany. Once you start with the practical classes, driving classes, you will be facing practical difficulties like shifting from right hand steering to left hand steering, understanding the German signboards and also understanding the German traffic rules and regulations. So, in this video, let me explain you how to reduce your driving license expenses in Germany and what are the step-by-step procedures for getting driving license. So, without further delay, let's get started. You will be wondering how we can reduce our driving license expenses, that too in Germany. And in order to reduce that, we are going to visit Verkehrsübungsplatz, which means in English, learner's driving place. This is the only place a person can drive a car without having German driving license. But most importantly, a person who gonna accompany you must have a German driving license. I have no experience in driving. I plan to take a driving license in Germany. Today I am going to try driving with help of one of my friend's car. Let's see what will happen, and I hope I will give a car back safely.
Since you wanted to learn your driving license, that's a very good idea. You are doing it in Übungsplatz because here you can learn the basic step of car, like where is a clutch, where is a gear, and how to use them, how to use front mirror, rear mirrors, parking, everything. How to get comfortable with the car. This is the main advantage which you will do it here, and hardly you will spend, I think, 10 euros for 1 hour. So which you will spend 45 minutes, 45 euros in the Fahrlehrer. But you need to do more classes at Fahrlehrer also, where the real traffic situation will come. You will see the real-time applications, you will see the real-time traffic.
Let's go.
So this is a semi-automatic car, so you don't need to worry about the clutch and gear. You have accelerator and brake. All you need to do is focus on brake and accelerator. Before you start is you need to check the mirror positions, left, right and center. It is very important. Of course, the seat belt. You are driving, I will show you the symbols, boards and all, what all we need to do as a basic driver, or beginning with the rules and everything in the Germany.
In this place, you can see different signboards which are similar to real-time driving. Many beginners do visit here for practice. In my area, the Verkehrsübungsplatz is small, but in other cities, I have seen more bigger and more different signboards.
Stop.
I think I need 5 to 6 more classes to get rid of fear and also know a little bit basics how to drive without fear and without support. Most importantly, don't try to practice driving in closed area or else in parking place near your house. In Germany, it is illegal to drive without a driving license. Kindly go visit your nearest Verkehrsübungsplatz. I have given the link in description. Ask your friend and visit there for practice. So if you take this class in a driving class, you will be paying 40 to 45 euros per session. And if you go and visit this kind of Übungsplatz which is near to you, you will be paying around 7 to 15 euros. It depends upon each city. Thank you so much, Mamta. I can able to understand what driving is and how to handle the steering and all. I hope I will get my driving license soon. Once I get it, I will definitely give you a treat for you.
You will get soon. All the best.
Thank you. Ask your friend, visit there for a practice, have fun driving, and all the best. Wait. The video is not over. Now let's check the next steps to be done. Can you explain step-by-step procedure for getting driving license in Germany?
Sure, Priya. If you want to get a driving license in Germany, the first step, look for a good Fachschule and then register yourself in. Once you register yourself in, then you need two basic steps, two documents, which is one is eye test and the second one is you need to do a Firstaid course. The eye test will cost you around 7 to 8 euros. In few cities it's free of cost. And the Firstaid, you need to spend a complete half day for it, and then you can do it in DRK or Red Cross places. That will cost you around 60 to 70 euros. If you want to convert your Indian license to German driving license, you need to follow the following steps. First one, you need to convert into German and submit the document in Führerschein Stelle. There is an advantage of converting your Indian license to German, which is you can skip your theory classes, which will save you up to 200 to 300 euros, and also 14 theory classes. So, if you are a beginner of the driving and if you don't have any Indian driving license, you must attend the theory classes, which are 12 to 13 classes, and then parallelly you can prepare for your theory exam. For theory exam, you can give it in English also, and the material and application app, there is an app to learn which you will get from the Fachschule, which will cost you around again 80 euros. During your theory classes, you can also do your practical lessons, which are Fahrstundes, where you can apply what you have learned theoretically in practice. So, once you are done with your preparation for your exam, you can inform your Fachschule, then they will book a slot for you for a theory exam by TÜV. TÜV will take care of theory and practical exams. Once you are registering your slot in the TÜV, you need to pay the correspondent fees for the Fachschule and also TÜV for the theory exam. So make sure you prepare well for the theory exam. So once you are done, once you are passed with your theory exam, remember you have only 1 year of validity. That means in this 1 year period, you need to pass your practical exam. If you fail, you need to repeat your theory exam plus practical exam again. So the biggest step, the theory is done. Now the highest step, the practical exam. So to get into practical exam, if you are a basic driver or like you are starting from the beginning in Germany, so you need 14 driving classes, which includes Autobahn, night driving, city driving, and to get comfort with the car, reverse, parking, etc. and etc. But if you have already an Indian driving license, you are expert in India driving, so you just need to comfortable with the signs, usage of signs, and if your far later feels confident, yes, he can handle the car, then you can go take an exam. But until and unless you are confident, don't give an exam, because I will tell you the disadvantages of failing exam. Before knowing the disadvantages of failing an exam, let's get to know about registering your practical exam. So once you are done with the compulsory Fahrstundes, you need to register yourself a slot by TÜV, and your Fahrlehrer will do that. And you need to pay certain amount. In my case, 100 euros for the Fachschule, 100 euros for the TÜV. So the date will be given by the TÜV. So once you are on the exam date, the exam will probably take up to 45 minutes. If you have passed, you will get the card on the spot. If you have failed, then you can repeat your exam within 2 weeks or after 2 weeks. If you have failed, you need to give an exam only after 2 weeks, and there are too many disadvantages of failing, which is you need to pay again Fachschule 100 euros, TÜV 100 euros, and there will be compulsory 5 Fahrstundes, which is 5 times 45 minutes, which will cost you again 300 euros. In total, I can tell it 500 to 600 euros. So please make sure that you learn more, give your exam, and then clear it in the first attempt.
So viewers, I guess you got some information from this video how to get a driving license in Germany by saving your money. For more information, please do like, share,
and subscribe Vanakkam, Germany. Priya, you are doing a great work. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mamata. I will see you in next interesting video. Until bye-bye from Vanakkam, Germany. Priya and signing off from Mamata.